Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and getting to your profile so you can control what others see. Once there, tap Friends or open the three-dot menu next to Edit Profile. This is where privacy controls live. Make sure you are using the account you want to change because settings apply per account. If you're on mobile, the Friends tab may be under a menu. On desktop, it will be visible near your cover photo. Now tap the Friends area to move to Visibility options. You'll see visibility choices. Pick one based on how public you want your connections to be. Once done, choose Friends to share only with people you're connected to, or Only Me to hide the list entirely. If you need precision, tap Custom to include certain friends or exclude specific people in lists. This is useful if you want colleagues to see different info than family. Make sure to read the preview if available, so you understand exactly who will view your friends list. After selecting your preferred visibility, save the change and then verify it immediately by using View As or asking a trusted account to check your profile. This confirms the setting applied correctly and shows what others see. If the list still appears public, make sure your app is updated and clear the cache. Sometimes stale data keeps old settings visible. If problems persist, log out and back in or use desktop. Contact Facebook support only after those steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.